don't know. I haven't measured it. Well, what's up, everyone? I'm with Jorell and Big Head. I mean, Big Head and Big Head. I mean, Patrick and Big Head. We're installing my banner. We don't know how to measure it, but we gonna see.
This is a half-inch high on this side.
Oh, you gotta remember this is probably not straight either.
Yeah.
It's gonna be something. Ooh, especially now.
Oh! Okay. Dang, that thing took a hit. Oh, my tripod! My tripod don't got round shield. Fuck. Why is my paint so smooth?
Because we just moved this down.
Are these perfect right angles? Right here, right here, right here.
In the...
When you made the stickers?
Yeah.
Right.
That's good enough. Look, Justin. Dang. Dang. Why everybody got squeaky brakes? Maybe I don't need to change all the brakes on the cord. I'm one of y'all.
That's how you get inside outside.
Sprayed on here, right?
Yeah.
Well, we actually creased the...
Yeah, I say we crease it. After that, we can just start the peel.
Dang, you got a fresh cut. So you made it for the best part.
Yeah.
You measure the center.
Yeah, we measured everything.
Dude, that's a lot of soapy water. There's like mad soap in that. That's thick.
No, to the look this way, like down here.
Oh, I see.
It's not lining.
Yeah.
Why is it red? Oh, it's the back end.
There's a squeeze.
That.
These are sharp. Don't put that's too much pressure.
Sure about my squeeze.
I couldn't find mine.
Yeah, like the big felt
This is
one.
sticking?
Thank you.
Shit!
Shit, that hella soapy water. Hopefully it peels off.
I want to start on this side just to get it over with. You said just wait?
We might need like some heat storage.
Oh, I got the heat gun.
Look at this.
It's not coming off.
At all.
Fuck.
See? At least you know it's lined up though. Yeah, that means you're really the Blitz guy because you get
Oh yeah, we good!
Huh?
you
Oh,
get
shit.
blessings to your descent. Oh, fuck. Yeah, you might need a blast that for a while.
Yeah, dude, it's hot. It's hot
Not
here.
blast it, but like keep it going for a
Yeah.
while.
But at least
Oh,
we
yeah,
know
you
it's
can see
making
it drying up.
progress.
A little bit. Like this area right here, you see.
Oh,
We gotta be a little bit no soapy water. Look at this.
I know. Should just slanted.
that's what I was thinking.
It works. The soapy water works with a certain adhesive.
Yeah,
In
I
this
think
case.
it works. I think the soapy water method works with whatchamacallit?
Fuck it, we're doing this
Actual
side.
actual vinyl. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like actual wrap. Whereas this is just like transfer sticker. You know what I mean? What's that?
Oh, I'm really straight on that side now. This side's not even like as easy as I wanted it to be.
Oh, is it hard to tell you?
No, it's still coming up.
It'll be plexiglass too.
So it doesn't bind as well as
Maybe.
glass.
It could be a thing. But it's supposed to cure it too, man. It's really stick under, be on there for a while. Yeah, you gonna cut fast.
Cause this is the good part. This is where it gets scary.
Yeah, that's where the quotation is. The punctuation.
Nice natural.
You know, this is
Coming from the
one of these things. It's no different. Same.
Oh yeah, what do you want to tell the dudes?
Holy shit!
What?
The fuck? Relax. What is something on me?
It's on your back.
Oh yeah, it's on your bike.
Help me. I don't like bugs.
Squat down a little bit.
No. Okay. Yo, get that content.
Where'd it go?
Oh,
Is it gone?
Where? Oh no!
Where is
it's-
it?
On the front?
Get it out my face!
Oh, still. Oh, don't flick it towards his face. Okay.
Oh, it's on your hand! I saved you.
It's right there.
Don't kill it. Oh, you bitch!
That's fucked up.
Bitch. Jesus
You can't stay
Christ. Y'all gonna leave me like that? When my biggest fear is bugs?
I mean, some of it's leaked over to the side where you're at, so it's sticking fine.
Yeah, and it's hot right now. And that bug killed some time, so I'm hoping. Shout out to the bug for a break. Dang, this looks money.
That's how it look good.
That's how hella good. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it like this. Oh. Oh.
Easy.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, wait, what?
Don't get too close.
Yeah, I was like, don't full send it yet.
I wasn't gonna full send it. I was just feeling the vibe.
Yeah, you should probably switch sides now because get better leverage.
Dang, that's how I look money.
It's hot over there.
Oh.
Where?
What?
Right there.
With E?
Yeah,
On that
the
side.
Oh,
My pain.
it's okay, it's me, but.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, red.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you drifted anyways.
Oh, dang.
Damn, he's a natural. Look at that shit.
Ooh. That finger work. Almost there.
Oh.
What?
At the no.
I can't see.
Or, oh, right there.
This is stressful.
I know. I was looking here. Thank God y'all are here. I would have so fucked this up.
Dang.
Yeah,
Fix
peel
that.
that away. Nope.
Yo.
There you go.
Ooh, he's.
Oh
sand.
shit. Justin,
what the hell I do?
you gassed me up.
Fuck it up. But don't fuck it up.
Oh shit. Sick.
So there's still a lot of soapy water under those stickers. We gotta get like these blades, wrap them in a napkin.
What do I do about this?
Ignore it.
Hopefully there's enough like soapy water.
This shit again.
Feels like there's still some soapy water under there. Like that? Where'd it go?
Oh yeah.
Magic fingers.
Oh god.
That was so stressful.
Alright.
Hell yeah.
Hit it with the heat gun again to make sure all the soapy
Yeah.
water evaporates.
Yeah.
Damn, look good.
That was easy. Let's get out of here. We're still here, that's why it turned out good.
I know. For real. I don't think I could have done it without any of you guys.
What do you think?
Justin has the luck. Pat has the skill. Big has the measurements.
You got a big head.